What are you two doing? Sean, will you please move out of the way? I can't believe I'm standing here taping this as opposed to locking you two up. Sean, what exactly are you doing there? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye!
Ryan, can you say cheese?
Cheese!
Ryan, can you say cheese? Cheese! Yay!
Cheese.
Oh Lord, we're going again.
Cheese!
And yet I keep taping.
Cheese.
Sean, will you step out of the way so your brother doesn't get hurt? Thank you.
Cheese.
He's going to demonstrate the skills with which you have taught him. Oh God. All right, at that point it is nappy time. Ryan, can you say bye-bye? Ryan, can you say bye-bye? No. Why would I do that? Cheese! Ryan, can you say bye-bye?
Bye!
Ryan, can you say bye-bye? Ryan, can you blow kisses? Blow kisses. Can you say bye-bye? Oh God! Wow.
We did that.
Just kicked him in the face and he didn't cry. All right, it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye!
Okay, time to go to nap.
Time to do a nap.
Yep.